Today, our little adventurers are in for a big treat. The babies and their furry friends are off to the amusement park for the very first time. Look at their eyes light up as they enter the magical world of rides and excitement. Oh my, little Timmy seems a bit nervous. He's holding onto his teddy bear extra tight. The other babies are so excited. They can't wait to try everything. Whoosh! They're off on the carousel, spinning and laughing. Even Fluffy the cat and Buddy the dog are having a ball. Fluffy's going meow meow, which probably means faster, faster.
Meow, meow.
And Buddy's wagging his tail so hard he might take off like a helicopter.
Woof, woof.
But wait, where's little Timmy? Oh, he's watching from the side, still unsure. The babies and pets try to show Timmy how much fun they're having on the Ferris wheel. Up they go, waving to Timmy from way up high. Splash! Everyone's giggling on the water ride, but Timmy's still not convinced. Look at Fluffy now. She's not too happy about getting wet. Her meow sounds more like meowch.
Me-ouch.
The group heads to the roller coaster. This time, they have a plan to help Timmy join in. They all gather around Timmy, showing him their biggest smiles and offering hugs. Buddy gives Timmy a gentle woof, as if to say, "You can do it, Buddy."
Woof!
Look at that. Timmy's taking a deep breath. He's ready to try. Up, up, up goes the roller coaster. Timmy's eyes are wide, but he's not scared anymore. Down they go. Whee! Timmy's laughing the loudest of all. For the rest of the day, Timmy can't get enough of the rides. He's having the time of his life. As the sun sets, our tired but happy adventurers head home. Timmy's hugging his teddy bear, but this time it's to share his excitement, not his fear. Remember, little ones, sometimes the things that scare us the most turn out to be the most fun. All it takes is a little courage and good friends by your side. So next time you feel scared to try something new, think of Timmy and his amazing day at the amusement park. Sweet dreams, little adventurers. Until next time.